Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to refer TradingView to a friend, and now let's dive right in. Now to refer TradingView to a friend, first open up your TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app, guys, you'll land on this interface of your TradingView app where you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after you tap on the menu button, guys, you'll land over here where you can see the refer a friend button over here, where just beside the subscription where I'm tapping over here. Tap on refer a friend and you'll be directly able to share the link of the TradingView app by tapping on the share link. And from over here, guys, either you can copy link or you can send it from WhatsApp directly, or you can send it from Messenger, your Viber, Instagram, or just tap on the platform on which you want to share the link of the TradingView app. And after that, tap on the sender, and after that tap on the receiver's account, and your TradingView referral will be sent. And with that being said, guys, this is how to refer TradingView app to a friend. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.